Hello everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to transform this beautiful doll in your very own Luxe Lil Sister. I'm super excited because this doll is coming out in the new series for Little Sisters. So I really hope I can get her. I'm pretty excited to have the little sister and maybe make the big sister for myself as well. Let me know in the comments if that's something that you want to watch. Now let's start with the tutorial. And because we are going to have little looks anyways in series 4, we are gonna make maybe glitter eyes. Also, let's add glitter to the diaper and the pacifier, and let's start. Let's start by painting the base of the eyes. We are gonna paint it with this mint color. And remember, this is only the base. We are gonna add glitter when the paint is completely dry. So go ahead and paint the eyes. Really careful. We do this because we want a really light base. That way the glitter looks so much better. Paint the pacifier mint as well. And now we are gonna paint all the hair yellow. This is only the base color. I have a gold acrylic paint, but it's better if we have a really light and similar color as a base. We let it dry, we apply a second layer, and we are ready for the gold. Like so. Super cute. It's looking super cute. Don't forget to paint the eyebrows yellow as well. We are gonna add a little bit of gold later on when it's completely dry. And now just let's wait for it to dry. And now the beautiful doll is completely dry, so we can either paint this part gold or we can add our glitter. I think because glitter makes a disaster, we are going to finish with the gold first. So let's find our gold paint. Whee! Let's paint all the hair gold. We are going to use 2 or 3 layers of paint to make it really gold. We are almost ready to go. It's looking so cute. Let's now let it dry and we apply a second layer and even a third layer if needed until it's really gold. This is what we have so far. Don't forget to add gold to the eyebrows as well. Is everything dry and ready to go? Super cute, I love it. Now we are gonna paint this part mint like the original doll. Like so. When the paint is completely dry, we are gonna add glue to the pacifier and we are gonna add glue to the eyes as well. Being really careful. And we are ready to add glitter. And we just need to wait for it to dry, and we are almost done. This is what we have so far. It's looking so beautiful. And now the only thing left is to add gold glitter to the diaper. Let's go ahead and start with that. We need glue, and then with gold glitter we are gonna add the glitter to the diaper. This way we have an extra special Luxe Lil Sister. Like so. When this dries, we are gonna go ahead and add the rest of the glitter to all the diaper. And we are done! Are you ready for the final reveal? This is our Luxe baby! Super sparkle, super cute. I love the glitter in the eyes. So cute, super cute. Let me know in the comments what other babies you want to see next. I'm also going to do doll houses. Let me know in the comments what other videos you want to see. I want to make them all. What do you think of this doll? So cute, I love it. And now you can have your own Luxe glitter edition. Well guys, this is the final result. I really love how this baby looks turned out, and I can't wait for the season 4 to be released so that we can get our own Luxe little baby, the original one. Or you can just go ahead and make yourself one with this little sister that we have here, and you can follow my tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you want me to get the new LOL Series 4 so that we can compare this doll that we did today with the other looks. If you're not part of the Mint family, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so that you know when all my videos are up. I'm going to upload videos more often. I hope you love this video as well. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below with ideas for new videos. I love your ideas. Your ideas are awesome. I love you a lot. Mint out. Bye bye.